Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how you can add typewriter effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank video template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a text heading. Okay, and here we are just going to write typewriter or whatever the digital Bikana, whatever you like. You can simply type it over here. And now we are going to increase the font size from the corner, and we can also change the background color to whatever you want. For example, I have chosen this and I'm going to select this white color. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to add effects to it, right? You can add effects if you want. For example, if I want the drop effect, I can simply add drop effect and reduce the blurriness and do it in such manner. Okay, it's looking nice. We are going to animate it in this style, typewriter, right? You can increase or decrease the speed, and right now as you can see the character animation, typewriter animation is over there. If we use the word, this would be like this. So right now character is looking good, and we can increase the speed as well. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to add an audio, right? So we are going to elements, and here we are going to search for audio. We are going to select audio, and here we are going to search for typewriter, right? And here we can simply add this audio in the music section. Okay, and our video is ready, right? So in this manner you can simply create a typewriter effect using Canva. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.